Hey there, welcome to Can Roof Construction's channel. In this video, we will go over essential roofing terms you should know before talking to a roofing contractor. Let's get started. Number 1. Square. A roofing measurement unit. 1 square equals 100 square foot. Number 2. Sheathing. Also called roof decking. It's the layer your shingles rest on. Number 3. Ice dams. When snow melts and refreezes at the roof edge, causing a leaks. Number 4. Ridge, the highest point where two roof slopes meet, essential for ventilation. Number 5. Valley, the channel where two slopes meet, handling the most water runoff. Number 6. Dormers, structures with windows that extend from a roof, adding a space and light. Number 7. Fascia board, runs along the roof edge and support gutters. Number 8. Soffit, underside of the roof overhangs, allowing attic ventilations. Number 9. Hip roof, a roof with 4 sloping sides, more stable in high winds. Number 10. Drip edge, a metal strip that prevents water from running down walls and fascia. Number 11. Step flashing, layered metal pieces that protect roof wall intersections from leaks. Number 12. Vent pipe boot, a seal around roof pipes to prevent leaks. Number 13. Roof cricket, a small peak behind the chimney that directs the water away to prevent the leaks. Number 14. Ice and water underlayment, waterproof layers installed under the shingles prevent leaks from ice dams and heavy rain. Thanks for watching us. See you next one.